Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this scarecrow head. I'm going to go in first with the color Putty by Dixie Belle, and I'm going to paint his face and his neck. And all the colors I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint. It's my favorite paint because the coverage is excellent. We also sell it on our website, buildacross.com, along with the paintbrushes and the cutout I'm using. And I'm going in now with the color Pine Cone to paint his hat. And I'm just using a number 12 flat from the brush pack we saw on the website for that. I also use that for his face. And I'm just rinsing it off with a little water and wiping it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to go in with the color Colonel Mustard for the hay. That's his hair and sticking out of his hat. Next, I'm going to go in with color Barn Red to paint his scarf. So I'm just going to go across the bottom part of his neck and the two little edges of his scarf over there, and then do just a little circle as a knot. Now that everything's dry, I'm going with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outlining everything. Of course, you can go in with paint if you want to for this. I would recommend a number 4 round and just some black acrylic paint. I choose acrylic versus chalk just because it goes a little bit further, which helps your brush strokes to last longer and just makes for smoother lines. But the Sharpie marker is easier, which is why I prefer it. So I'm going in and just adding these little details on his face. And I was going to do his eyes with a Sharpie marker, but I opted out of that and decided to go in and just paint some little white circles on there, and later I'll go in and add the black details. Now I'm just going to go in with that white and highlight around my scarecrow. Then I'm going to go in with a sponge brush in the color chocolate. I'm just going to distress the hay and his hat. And now I'm going to go in and add the black to the centers of his eyes. And then after that, I'll be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.